If you want to remove, renovate or replace the front grille on a Skoda Fabia MK1 99-07, stay tuned and I'll show you how to do that. Being so exposed at the front of the car, the front grille often suffers from damage, taking a battering from the elements, so you might want to replace or renovate it to keep your Fabia looking dapper. You might want a new shiny grille and replace the chrome, or you might want to do it all black or matte black or even colour coded to the car. It's fairly easy to do and it can make such a difference if your car's getting a bit long in the tooth. Open up the bonnet. Locate and spray all the T30 screw bolts with penetrating fluid that you're going to take out, as these get quite corroded being at the front of the car. There's 4 along the joint onto the bonnet and 4 on the stairs, but you only need to take 2 of those out, either the ones on the bonnet or the ones attached to the grille. And I'm going to take the ones off that's attached to the grille. One thing you've got to be careful of is where the grille joins onto the bonnet, along here. Being such a precise fit, you don't want to damage the bonnet taking it off and putting it back on again by chipping the paint, so you need to be careful. Take out one of the T30 screws from the supporting stay and loosen off the other one. You want to be taking those out last, so it doesn't just fall off. Then take out all the 4 T30 screws along the edge of the bonnet. Then you want to take off the release catch handle, which is an 8mm hex nut. Don't forget to do this as your mind's on the actual grille, because you've just taken all the bolts out and you don't want to be taking it off after you've taken the grille off. Then what I did was move the bonnet support to a lower position. Just here on the airbox was ideal temporary recess, which had the effect of lowering the bonnet to sort of waist height, so I could control taking the grille off and still undo the nuts underneath. You have to be careful that the grille doesn't just fall off. When you're ready to take it off, take a firm hold with both hands and one at a time take each nut off and carefully lift it up away from the stays. Take it away from the car and have a protective mat handy. Take out the bonnet release catch from the front, and when we turn it over we can see a series of slots all the way around the perimeter, which are in pairs. We need to take the black plastic cover off first. What you need is a medium-sized flat-bladed screwdriver. Place it in the slot nearest to the grille, which is the inside one, and gently plies the clip outwards. Do this gently but firmly, and in a controlled manner work your way around all the clips, gently easing them all off. What you don't want to do is try and force them off. When it comes to the chrome trim, you can easily see the clips, and you want to be pushing those inwards slightly with your thumb. Do the same with that, ease them off gently all the way around and it will just pop off. And there we have it, all the parts are separated. And if you're replacing them, I'll leave the part numbers in the description. When you're replacing the trims, put the chrome trim on first. You just push them into place. They just clip back in. And when you're happy with all the clips being secure, return it to the car. Place it on the stays. There's also a little peg on the grille that fits into a hole on the bonnet along the seam edge and offer the seam up to the bonnet. Quickly putting in a T30 screw in so it won't fall off. When you're happy with the alignment, tighten the stay screws first so you know it's going to stay where it is, and replace the remaining screws. And the job's a good one. Thank you for watching, and as always, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.